everyone. I'm a group 15. My topic for today is converting a normal random variable to a standard normal variable. So atong gamiton karon is z-score. A z-score measures the distance between observation and the mean. Natay formula nga gamiton ani. Z equal, so mo ni siya atong gamiton nga ngaymon og formula. Where G is Z standard normal score or z-score. X any data value and normal distribution, or this is a mean. Formula is standard deviation. Okay, if this forward ta guys. Okay, if the z-score is a positive, the positive score is about the mean. If the z-mean is the score if the z-score is a positive, the positive score is about the mean. If the z-mean is 0, the score is the same as the mean. If the score if the z-score is positive, the positive score is about the mean. If the z-mean is 0, the score is the same as the mean. If the z-score is negative, the score is below the mean. Pasabot is, if ang score is positive, sa mean na siya na below. The score is 0, is the same gapon siya sa mean. So, walay mo baguan ni. O ang score pod, o z-score is negative, the score is below the mean. So, pare-pareho ra sila tulo. Ma-positive man o negative or ma-zero score, same gapon siya sa mean, gapon siya na below. Para to guys, thank you.
Converting a normal distribution to a standard normal distribution. The process of transforming a normal distributed random variable x with mean and standard deviation into a standard normal variable z is done using the following formula. So example is x is a value from the original normal distribution. So this transformation standardizes the distribution by, ang unang steps is mo ni subtract the mean from the value x. So, imo i-minus ang mean para sa values na x. So, this enters the distribution around 0. Katuwa is i-divide nimo ang divide by the standard deviation para ang kanang this standardizes the spread of distribution to 1. So, example anik is supposed to be we have a normal distribution with a mean of 50 and standard deviation of 10. So, to convert a value of x which is equal 60, apply the formula. Z is equals to x minus mean over divided by standard deviation. So 60, which is the value of x, minus 50, the value of mean, divided by the value of standard deviation, which is 10. So it is equals 1. So that's all. So in summary, the z-score standardizes any normal distribution so that it becomes comparable to the standard normal distribution. So mean equals 0, standard deviation equals.
So good morning sir, our topic is all about standard deviation. So ingon pa diri nga ang z-scores daw is nag-represent sa the number of standard deviation data point is from the mean. So kung maingon sag mong negative ang z-score, so nag-indicates na siya nga ang data point daw is kanang below gid sa standard nga mean. So nganong useful ang kwan? So z-scores are useful for comparing data no, kay halos tanan ang normal distribution is klase-klase man gyud naka-different man gyud siya sa kuan. So nag-different siya because of sa kuan pod sa kanang standardize the data. So Z tables can be used to find probabilities associated with specific z-scores, no. Ingana siya. So ingon pa diri nga ang z-score daw kay ang z-scores kay nag-represent gyud siya sa kanang how many standard deviation no nga ang data point sa from the mean. So mara to sir. God bless.